This is a really easy question just to see that Claude has access to my Google Search Console. And then if it has access to my Google Search Console, I'll ask it a few more advanced questions. This is kind of like making it easier for you to not only access data, but to also create reports for your clients or for yourself that's easily digestible. And I'll show you how to create those reports. And honestly, I'm not going to say this is a game changer, but this makes life for SEOs that are managing multiple clients like me a lot easier. So it says here, based on Google Search Console data from cloud.seo2buy.com, received 20 clicks in November. Here's a complete breakdown: clicks, impressions, CTR, average position. Okay, so I can ask it now in advance. November versus, let's just say October 5. Again, this is something you can do in Google Search Console. All right. If you know your way around it, it's very easy to run a comparison. But again, I mean, this is to make life a lot easier, and then you can communicate with Google Search Console and pull the data that you want instead of having to click through it and kind of use regex and all of the other stuff. So I've just got the basic $20 a month paid version. You can pay for the entire year, which will cost you $17 a month. I have absolutely nothing to do with Claude. There is no affiliate link. There is no commission. There's absolutely nothing. Okay, so based on comparison between October and November 2025, here are the pages that grew. So here's the about page, the SEO. So you can see all of the percentages here. Honestly, while you might be an SEO and you understand all of this, if you want to send this over to a client, this is not easily digestible. And so you would want to create a report that your client can understand and is also visually appealing. So can you turn the data for October, November 2025 into a visually appealing SEO report? Now, I know now my spellings are not great, but let's see if Claude understands and creates the report for me. And this is going to be a very basic report because Search Console doesn't have, it has data, but it doesn't have all the data. And so even though this might end up being a pretty visually appealing report, it's not going to be the end all be all. And so you will need complementing reports. You will need to build this out so that your clients fully understand what's going on with their website. Honestly, most of my clients don't even look at the reports, but again, you should be building them and it should be easy to build. And I think Claude does a very good job of building these reports for you on the fly. And once this is set up, like anyone, even your VA, can go ahead and use predefined prompts to kind of like set this up. So we're going to let this run through, and when the report is created, we just forward through this. And so when the report is created, you will see how it looks. And so
Learn how to set up this reporting tool to streamline your SEO reporting today in the video below.